This is Alex at Accessories International, and today we'll be showing how to change the logo on the Airvent panel mini display on the new DMP Android command screens for Mercedes-Benz GLE, GL, ML, and GLS models. Start by booting up your screen and then go into the app section. Once the app section is open, you'll look for an icon that says ES File Explorer and open that up. Swipe to the side and look for the main storage of the screen and open that up. You'll see several files. Go down to the bottom and look for this KSW Other app that has a clock display icon and click Install. Allow it to install and then open the app and you'll be able to select the Mercedes-Benz logo or the AMG logo. Thank you for tuning into our video. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We do the installations, provide the support, and we sell the screens. We are a Miami-based dealer here in the United States. If you have any questions, give us a call at 786-242-5400. If you found any value in this video, please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.